Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to build a relaxing pumping routine at home and make daily pumping feel less stressful and more comfortable. For many mothers, pumping feels much easier when the environment is calm and organized. Small changes in your routine can make a big difference in comfort and consistency. Before starting, try to choose a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit without distractions for a few minutes. Good back support and a relaxed position often help the session feel smoother. Keeping all your pump parts clean and ready before the session can also reduce stress. When everything is organized, the routine becomes quicker and easier to manage. Some mothers like to gently massage the area or take a few slow breaths before pumping. This may help the body relax and support smoother flow during the session. It is also important to start slowly instead of rushing. A gentle and steady rhythm usually feels more comfortable and natural. Many mothers find it helpful to keep water nearby and stay hydrated throughout the day. Taking care of your overall routine supports better comfort during pumping sessions. If something feels uncomfortable, pause for a moment and adjust the position or settings. Small adjustments can improve the experience a lot. Over time, creating a regular routine helps your body become more familiar with pumping, and sessions often become easier and more predictable. With consistency, a calm environment, and simple habits, pumping at home can become a smooth and comfortable part of daily life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.